Good morning. In yesterday's video class, we have seen about introduction to artificial intelligence and task domain of artificial intelligence. In that formal task, mundane task, expert task, these all we have seen in the previous class. So today's class we are going to see about artificial intelligence techniques, AI techniques. So in order to solve the problems, some of the techniques, AI techniques are used. So the first one is heuristic, support vector machine. Second one SVM, then ANN, artificial neural networks, then Markov decision process, and then natural language processing. So first we'll see about heuristics. So this technique is one of the most basic technique used for artificial intelligence and is based on the principles of trial and error. It learns from the mistakes. It is one of the most popular search algorithms used in artificial intelligence, um, and it is used to solve problems in faster manner when compared with classical methods. Moreover, it solves the problem uh, for which the classical method cannot. So this is the major advantage of heuristics. So here heuristics is one of the best option for solving difficult problems. For instance, to know the shorter route for any destination, the best way is to identify all the possible routes and then to identify the shortest one. Then we'll move to support vector machines. Support vector machine is the supervised machine learning algorithm used for regression challenges or classification problems. Here, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. Okay, that provides a system ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So எக்ஸ்டர்னலாக எந்த ப்ரோக்ராமை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் எதுவும் பண்ணாமல் ப்ரோக்ராம் எதுவும் மேஜராக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் ஸோ பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் with the help of the previous datas, the machine will automatically learn and it will predict the output for the new data, new situation. If a new situation occurs, then it will predict. So this is machine learning algorithm. Okay. However, the next point. However, in the majority of classes, it is used for classification only. For instance, email systems use vector machines for email classification as social or promotion or any other. It categorizes each mail according to the respective categories. So here, when the email receives, the email system receives the email, then it analyzes the email content, then it automatically categorizes the email and put the email in the social folder or in a promotion folder, or it may be any other folder according to the analysis. So this is done by the support vector machine algorithms. Okay. So this technique is widely used for face recognition, text recognition, and image recognition system. Then we move into artificial neural networks. Neural networks are generally found in the brains of living organisms. These are basically the neural circuits which help living beings to transmit and process the information. For this purpose, there are billions of neurons which help to make the neural systems for making decisions in day-to-day life and learn new things. These natural neural networks have inspired the design of an artificial neural network instead of neurons. Artificial neural networks are composed of nodes. These networks help in identifying patterns from the data and then learns from it. For this purpose, it uses different learning methods such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. For an application perspective, it is used in machine learning, deep learning, and pattern recognition. So here we have seen about machine learning. What is machine learning? And then now we will see about deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but we have so many algorithms to solve the problem in machine learning. So machine learning is the traditional one. So traditional machine learning algorithm, so many machine learning algorithms are there. So based on the situation, nature of the data, the algorithms are selected to solve the problem. So these machine learning algorithms are traditional one. Okay, so after that artificial neural networks are developed. Artificial neural networks are it works like a human brain, and there will have neurons. So the various nodes, input nodes will be there. In between neurons will be there, and the output nodes will be there. So here in between neurons are works like a human brain. Okay, so in order to solve the problem, the neurons are the neurons are involved as a major thing. Okay, so here the neurons are in artificial neural networks, it will be as a single layer, but in the deep learning it will be multiple layers. So by using the multiple neural networks, multiple layers of neural networks, will get more accurate answer. So the problem will be solved in a more accurate manner. So that is actually deep learning. And then pattern recognition. Pattern recognition, in a sense, some huge data will be there. So it will find some pattern in the data. Based on that, decision can be taken. So this is actually done by pattern recognition. So in all these things, in the recent days, artificial neural networks are involved in all kinds of all fields. Even if you take industrial areas, all industrial areas almost automated. So these automations are done by the robotics. All robotics are working based on the machine learning algorithms. Almost all kinds of algorithms are implemented in the algorithms are selected depends on the domain, what kind of domain, what kind of activities that robot is doing. Based on that, the algorithms are selected. So most of the robots are using machine learning algorithms only. So in recent years, the majority of the thing changed to artificial intelligence. Artificial neural networks based algorithms are used to solve the problem. So even if you take children's toy, robotic toys, even that robotic toys responds in a smart way. So in order to make the robots or toys, robotic toys works smart, we need to implement some of the smart algorithms. That is actually plays an important role in that, and that algorithm is a machine learning algorithm or artificial intelligence based algorithms. So actually the machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. So under the machine learning, so many algorithms are there. Those are traditional one. So in recent days, deep learning are the recent trend. Deep learning algorithms are developed much more faster, and it gives a much more accurate result in artificial neural networks way. The deep learning all works in the artificial neural networks way. this will already we said about the deep learning. Multiple layers of artificial neural networks, I mean networks of artificial neurons, these become the deep learning deep learning algorithms. So these all things are playing a very important role in all kinds of robotics, or even if you take a smartphone, all the apps, almost all kinds of apps, they have machine learning algorithms to solve the problem. If we take a camera, all camera softwares are implemented with artificial intelligence, AI camera, all things they are using AI algorithms in all the accessories, drivers. Even if you take a simple app, even if you take simple softwares, all things they are using artificial intelligence algorithms. So it's a major advantage of using artificial intelligence algorithms. So here the rest of the, I mean, Markov decision process and natural language processing we'll see in the next class. So up to this we'll finish here. We have some assignment questions. I have given some assignment questions. So write the assignment and submit it in on time. Okay. Thank you.